was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you.
Welcome back, you guys. I know it's been a minute, but let's do an unboxing. This is Born by Pretty. Look, I've been having just a time, Lord, just a time, but we didn't got through it. So let's just get to it. These polishes are so pretty, they're vibrant, and I absolutely love the pigmentation. I did post about these on my TikTok and Instagram, so you guys kind of got like a feel for them, but let me go ahead and swatch these for you. So let's jump right into this, okay?
When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess that seasons change.
And shout out to Born Pretty, because these colors are so like vibrant, and I absolutely love colors that are vibrant like this when you only need like one coat and they come out like pigmented. You can do so much with colors like that when they're really vibrant, especially like art designs and stuff like that. So shout out to Born Pretty. I really hope everyone's been doing good this summer, and I just want to say I appreciate each and one of you for coming back and checking out my video today, and I hope everyone had a good summer like I said, and your kids, it just did not drive y'all crazy like mine did in the house, wanting to eat up everything they see. Yeah, they are back at school officially today, so I'm excited. We can all agree that being a mom is such a beautiful journey. It is a very hard task though. And when they're out from school and it's summertime, it's like on 10, okay? But we are back. Now that you guys have seen some of the swatches, when I say, like, one thing about gel, if it's a good quality product, it's going to level itself out and it's going to appear thick even if you put like a minimum amount of gel on the brush. Lovely gel colors, lovely thickness to it. I love just good products, so that's why I just try to keep it real with you guys on the products that I'm using. If I don't like the product, I just won't do the review, and I'll let the clients, the people who reached out to me know. But Born Pretty, this product is very beautiful, and I absolutely love these colors. You guys did amazing on the quality of the gels, and I could not ask for more. coming to the end. I just want to say thank you for sticking all the way through. Do not forget to hit subscribe if you haven't. And if you have already, thank you for coming back. See y'all next time.